Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2014 Mini Cooper S. This car comes with the 189 brake horsepower 2-litre petrol engine with a manual gearbox. Mileage is nice and low at just over 35,000 miles, and the car comes with full service history from Mini. As you can see, the Thunder Grey paintwork looks really good for the age and mileage of the car. This particular car comes with over £5,000 worth of features chosen from the factory. So a couple to point out: you've got the heated seats and the chili pack on this car. As you can see, got a nice clean interior there, and you've got the half leather and diamond cloth seats. As we open the tailgate, you can see you've got the split folding rear seats with the parcel shelf still in place, and underneath the boot floor you've got some extra storage there as well to keep things out of sight. The car's been independently inspected by an AA engineer who's been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind, and you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty which can extend up to 3 years, and we offer finance from just 7.9% with a zero deposit. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, please give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.